Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Trading Technicals. So today again we will discuss about the Nifty. Let's understand what has happened in the Nifty and what we can take a trade on Nifty tomorrow. So if you look at weekly chart, now today is the new week starting. So this candle actually it will look like a daily candle only for us because that is what Monday's candle it is. If you look at last candle, it was exactly the similar kind of candle if you look at the red candles, and it had shown the bears actually were winning in the zone. However, if you look at the past few days, how Nifty performs after generally one red candle, maximum you had two candles here, okay, but generally after one red candle you will have one green candle as well, right? So we can expect some bounce back here, not much, but maybe Nifty again can show the highs of the last week. Okay. But looking at all the other parameters, which is your bond yield and the crude prices, these are all impacting the sentiment, and we are seeing huge amount of profit booking on most of the stocks. So hence, the the view still stays in the sideways zone for me. Okay, and we can expect a range, maybe max to max. This range would be played again. Okay, so this is what we have to look out for the next 1 week. If we look at it a day chart, okay, now this is the fifth red candle or sixth red candle basically, from almost 18th of October till today we are seeing all the red candles. Okay, and this is first time after a long time this happened that we are having six red candles back to back. However, if you observe one thing, now if you look at the lower highs which are there, yes. However, look at this candle. If you look at this candle, the body of this candle is actually smaller than this. Okay, and we are seeing this gap which we were talking about somewhere here. Okay, that gap is completely filled today. Okay, so we had some small gap which was left, which is also been filled, and today Nifty actually broke 18,000 and then came back from that range, right? So we are, and this is looking like a hammer as well. Okay, if you look at this trend line, okay, we can expect anything above this level, right? 261, that is what the level we are continuously discussing. Above this level probably we will have a buy, and we can expect this levels to be regained again, which is around 500, 18,500. Okay, but it may not happen immediately. It may be up and down kind of movements which we might see around these levels, right? If we go little in a smaller time frame on 1 hour chart, okay, yesterday we had discussed about certain levels, right? And hopefully you would have made some money. I had shared one levels on the Telegram channel as well, and if you look at those levels, exactly Nifty took a support and went up. Okay, and this one was our target somewhere, and which was achieved today. Okay, so that is what was the trade. If you look at this particular thing, there was a bullish divergence here. Okay, that is what I had shared. If you look at this now, ideally this one was the bullish divergence. Further we have here now. Okay, so if we connect these two dots, we have a bullish divergence which is still there intact. Okay, so we can expect some kind of bounce. However, our buying zone would be above this. Okay, so the trend line will be broken around this 200 level itself. However, my buying zone would be around 250 level. Okay, because currently if you look at the data, 200 call writer and 300 call writer, that is a maximum this thing which is there, and 18,000 put writer is still building the positions. So we can expect 18,000 this levels to act as a support. Okay, now whenever you are doing analysis, you have to have both the analysis, right? So this level will act as a support for us. Okay, and now 200 will be our resistance. Okay, so around 200 level, for me this is the level which is 235. Okay, till the time it is not crossed, I would not be able to do as a long term buy or trend reversal kind of confirmation. Till that point I would do some scalping here and there, okay, maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes chart we can do some scalping, but the buying trend will change only from this level, right? So that is what we need to consider here. Okay, we might see some kind of range bound sessions. The markets are very volatile. Today's candle, if you look at the first candle itself, was a very big candle. After that, market has shown some recovery here. Okay, and if you go back to 15-minute chart, if you see, these levels acted as a support for us. Okay, and then there was a resistance at this point. Exactly, Nifty opened at this point and came down. So that is what our analysis has worked. So basically we got both the side trade. If at all, first candle if you sell, and then at the support level you could have bought, right? So that is what simple analysis we had, and that is where we made some decent money, right? Now this is what Nifty it suggests. Okay, there is still it's a range bound zone which we have to still look out for, and we have to play according to the levels only. In between, my suggestion, don't take any trades, because there are high chances you will get trapped, because these kind of levels, right? Certain people had taken a long entry and they were completely trapped on this candle. So that is what we have to be careful with. Okay, and today we will talk about Bank Nifty as well. So if you look at Bank Nifty, I had given two levels yesterday, right? Because we had one triangle pattern here. It's like a flag pattern. Okay, Nifty opened exactly above that. First candle, if you look at first 15 minutes, the candle was a big candle which came. It opened up and then it came down, and then it took a support exactly at our level. So this levels I had shared it earlier yesterday only, and exactly if you look at this level was our support. Okay, it took support, this one was our target. Okay, it was achieved, and after that it was only trailing. So my trailing stop loss was hit somewhere around this level. Okay, and I had exited. However, it was a perfect level. If you look at the support resistance exactly work, even this resistance was also kind of respected at this level, but it was a very good trading day. Okay, and then we had some shorting opportunities at this point as well, but okay, this level was not there. However, Bank Nifty has again taken a support at this level. If we look at it as a weekly chart, okay, now if you look at weekly chart, you look at this candles. Okay, this one was a very powerful candle on a weekly chart. This one was a weak candle as compared to. So basically, it is telling you some kind of yeah, the trend is actually getting weakened here. Okay, and today's candle was again a small candle. It is a doji kind of thing, and if you look at on day thing, it looks like, as of now, looks like hanging man kind of thing. So now if you for next 1 week or so, okay, uh, always remember this two levels, 41,817 and 40,479. Okay, Bank Nifty will only play in this range. Now this will be completely writer's game, and Bank Nifty will only up and down it will play. Okay, so that is what it is. If at all this level is broken, we would see 42,200, 42,500 levels. If this level is broken, we can see 40,000 levels. Okay, so this is what it is. But generally you would have a sideways momentum for next 1 week or so. Okay, so these two levels also will play an important role. Okay, and 15 minutes, if you see yesterday's things, we had got very good opportunity here to buy. Okay, and if you see, the targets were achieved, all the our things were taken care today. So Bank Nifty was a very good trade today, and I hope it would have given you decent money today. Okay, so this is what it is. I think you should learn from these videos, not only just to see this and take a trade, but I think you should learn from the videos. That will give you more edge in the live market, because I would not be there. I am giving you these levels, but where to take a trade or where to not to take a trade, these things you have to learn from your own experience, right? So that is where learning is very, very important. Okay guys, thank you.